Hello and welcome to the Razertip Pyro Studio YouTube channel. I am Brad Merkel, owner of Razertip. So Razertip has been around for over 40 years as a family-owned and operated business providing world-class, innovative pyrography wood-burning tools. We are extremely proud of these tools, from their high quality to the safety certification marks that they bear, and of course, our excellent customer service backing it all up. In this YouTube channel, you'll find videos covering all of these products, from our power supplies, accessories, Pyro Studio products, and of course, the world's largest tip selection, exclusively made by Razertip. Videos on technique, results you can achieve with the tips, and how to take care of them so they last. We want to inspire, we want to encourage, and above all, we want to help you leave your mark. Please share these videos, like and subscribe, leave comments, reach out to us. Thanks for watching. We'll see you around.